I'm Sharen, aka Harris, and I'm here to show you how I use the Holtz alcohol ink palette, which I find to be a must-have. And I'm not kidding. Okay, so the reason why I love this palette is the welds. With these welds, I can fill them with ink, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I just fill this weld with that much ink, and I let it dry overnight. When I'm done, I get a weld like that. It's dry, and it's all, whatever, crystallized, whatever it is, it's magic. So now it's like a cake, kind of like watercolor is to watercolor cakes. All I have to do is apply a little alcohol ink blending solution to it and reactivate it. It also reactivates with alcohol. So if you're on a trip and you want to take your alcohol ink palette with you, if it's dry, you can bring it on a plane. That's major because you can't bring your alcohol inks on a plane. So that is another major reason why you need the Holtz alcohol ink palette. Now, another thing I love about this palette is I mix my paints up here and I reconstitute them to what consistency I want. So people are always like, how do you get that line work? How do you do that? Mine goes all over the place. And I'm just going to show you real quickly. See, I can I can see the consistency of the ink up on my palette. I can see if it's getting thick or thin, and if I can draw a line. And it's not running all over the place. That's how you get your control. Now, if you have too much alcohol in there, I'm going to show you what happens, just so you'll know. Watch it. Watch what it does. Do you see what happens if you have too much alcohol in there? So you come up here and you just feel it. And you can feel on your palette, it's not just a cover anymore, folks. It is a blending surface. You can mix colors. I keep all different colors on here. And for cleaning it, I'm going to bring in this spritzer. And what I like to do is after my classes, I go around because everybody leaves a mess. I spritz, spritz, spritz. I take a paper towel, and I got a nice clean palette. Okay? No muss, no fuss. And that's how it works, and it's great because the palette closes. And you're ready to go on a plane. You're ready to go plein air painting. And when you get to where you're going, all you have to do, because you probably might not be able to get the blending solution, then you need your 91% alcohol. And you're ready to go. You can go in the field and do plein air, alla prima. You can just go to the studio and paint with your friends. And you can have all your favorite colors with you. Especially the new series, I gotta tell you, it's a no-brainer. You gotta have that new yellow and sepia and all those yummy, yummy, delicious jewel tone colors. So, happy painting!